To fix can't download, please ask that it be resent to your WhatsApp problem solved. If any day you face a problem like this on your WhatsApp and you do not know how to solve that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to go to the search icon on your mobile device and then search WhatsApp out there. After you search WhatsApp out there, you have to find the very WhatsApp application on your mobile device. After you find the very WhatsApp application on your mobile device, you have to tap on that and then go to the option of app information. After you tap on app information, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the notifications and enable allow the notification and allow sound and vibration. After that, you can go back again and then go to the option of permissions. After tapping on permission, you have to allow the permission to call logs, camera, contacts, location, microphone, music and audio, nearby devices, notification, phone, photos and videos, and SMS. After that, you can go back again and then go to the option of set as default. After tapping on set as default, you have to enable, open the supported links, and then go back again. After that, you have to go to the option of storage and tap on storage. If you see the option of cache there, you have to clear down the cache and then go back again and then go to the option of the app details and store. After you tap on the app details and store, if you see the option of update out there, you have to update your very application and close the Play Store. Now you can also restart your phone by turning off your mobile phone, then opening it once again, and your very problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.